I've got a request in my right hand here from my son to play Alan Zine, so I better play it now and get it over and done with here. Alan Zine, and sure there's no introduction needed to Alan Zine. So, we'll sing there. And you notice there, this man here, somehow whenever he started, he's hard to stop there, so don't be surprised if there's a good going tune, he continues on, so I just might just follow the lead rule there. Alan Zine. To keep the likes of the Smith fellas there, Will McKelvey, Leonard Turkin and Davy there, quite a few of the pipers here. We'll play 100 pipers. It's a tune that we've adapted, just carried on from the old band, and it's always a tune that the band always likes to play. These young ones have recently given it their all. They have took it on too, and it's a favourite of them as well. So 100 pipers. We'll go for another Scottish tune as well. And these are sort of tunes that the big drummer gets carried away on a bit here. He's sort of maybe playing a lower key night, but there's a bit of space there. You can thump around. I'm sure you all see him and set these there. Right in it. Comes their eye. Gareth, if we just maybe take a break now and we'll be talking and maybe come up and play just a couple of wee papers from people if that's alright, Gareth. Okay, go ahead. Thanks very much, Phil.